Everyone is into homesteading and survival, growing plants and all that kind of stuff. That's cool, but you also need to be able to fix your vehicles.
Get better at mechanicking, at fabrication, having the ability to weld something back together, to turn an old vehicle into a new vehicle. So one of the things I like to use is this Captain Welder in conjunction with the plasma cutter. Basically, you can cut it and you can glue it back together. You can fabricate most things that you might need long term.